Hello, support team. I'm located here in Toronto, Canada, and for Down Under Betting. And hopefully, you can see this video. We're trying to show you the problem. So, we're trying to connect our Canadian bank account to Wise. So, I go to instant verification. I go to continue. Then I go to, again, continue. And then I choose my bank provider coming up. So you're going to see here, I choose um, TD Bank. And then here, the screen, now it's actually allowing me some information. Let me see, allow me to edit it. Down under, let me see if this is correct. Wait, here, let me see if I can edit this. Okay, hold on. One, because you'll see what I mean. I can't edit. Here, now it's allowing me finally. 1 3 3 you 305 694 583 314. And then I'll put the hold on to this for like, then I'll put in my password, which would be one time I actually saw, this is even going back years ago, how good the hackers were. They can hack into anybody anywhere. They can intercept this message, so you get it before they'll intercept it. Wow, it's actually working. That's what I'm making the video. What? We were there.
Yeah.
We were connected. And then we lost them. Didn't make any sense. We were connected and we lost them. So do you see what the problem is? If you can watch this video, it doesn't make it. And now my bank is not showing up over here. And we were actually connected. There's some issue very bad.